Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks driving innovation. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering STEM Inc., ticker STEM, a leader in AI driven clean energy software and services, optimizing battery storage and solar assets with its PowerTrack platform. 2025 has seen solid progress for STEM. In Q3, revenue surged 31% year over year to $38 million, with positive adjusted EBITDA and strong gross margins. Just this week, on December 9th, STEM announced a key partnership to operate and optimize a multi site battery portfolio for a Southern California utility, enhancing grid reliability and revenue through demand response programs. Shares have shown volatility, closing at $19.23 on December 12th after a pullback, but these developments underscore STEM's focus on high margin software growth. With clean energy momentum building, is STEM positioned for recovery? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or wait. Like for more energy stock insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Also, become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.